Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, a couple months ago, we did a video that showed you how challenging and difficult it can be to use metal flake or micro flake with dip. You lay that flake down, and then all the corners of the flakes poke up through the coating. You have to lay down another 4 or 5 coats of clear just to bury all that texture. It's very time consuming and can get very expensive. And after we put that video up, we got a bunch of emails and phone calls from people that were saying, look, I know you're telling me I don't want to do this. It's going to be expensive. It's going to be difficult, but that's what I want to do. I want a metal flake look on my car. You got to give me a better option. So here is a better option. We've got a product that we're bringing in right now. It is a gallon of ready-to-spray microflake. There's a ton of flake in these gallons. We've got gold and silver to start off with. Today we're going to be using the gold variant, and most importantly of all, it doesn't add any texture. You get the exact look of microflake without any of the texture. No extra coats need to go on top. It is absolutely stunning. Now I want to show you the gold one today, and I want to do it full scale. But I wish there was a way where I can do it full scale, but show you not one color, but how it works on 2 colors at a time. If only I had a car sitting around and available that had 2 contrasting colors on it. Let's go. All right, guys, the car is done. We only laid 1 wet coat of this gold metal flake over the Mustang. You can go 1, 2, you can put as many coats as you want, but the metal flake will build up fast. When I told you there's a ton of micro flake in this gallon, I was not kidding. There is a ton of micro flake. The look that I was going for, we got with just one wet coat. Now, a couple little tips when you're spraying this product. You want to do wet coats because, of course, you want that smooth finish, but don't bring the gun in too close. You want to back it up a little bit and almost imagine letting the mist wet the surface out. You want to go too far back, but you want to back up a little bit more so you're not pushing the product and pulling it up, or else you will get stripes. But if you back up a little bit and let that mist kind of rain down and wet the surface out, it'll come out great. Now, we have a link up here. It'll bring you to these 2 Metal Flake gallons. Again, right now we have gold and we have silver. If you guys like them, we will bring in more. If you have any questions at all, email us customerservice@dipyourcar.com. You can call in during business hours. We'd love to chat with you guys, or you can chat with us directly on the website. Now, best of all, let's go outside and check out this car because it looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's Fonzie. I will see you on the next video.